Been using this recently for a bit of key worker commuting. This is the Held Alcatar adventure helmet. If you're liking that Master Chief look and you know, you like sun visors, keeping the old sun out of your eyes, etc. And this really been look, and yeah, it's a decent lid. Look at that. Looks cool as, doesn't it? This flips up. It doesn't get impeded by the peak. And inside as well we have the drop down integral sun visor. You just push the button, slide up, and that drops down. Really liking that. That's cool. Nice and comfortable inside, as you can see. Got the old washable cheek pads in here. You take those out and wash them. Adjustable chin strap on there. Plenty of ventilation on the top and on the chin. And doesn't that look super mean? Nice and aerodynamic as well. One thing I noticed with this one that I haven't experienced yet, but I have with other brands, and it's probably something to do with the decent ventilation here, is that if you move your head back during the ride, it doesn't whip your head back like that as the wind catches under here. I think it's because Held have designed it with these air vents here. It's pretty good. Everywhere you look, it's got a few lumps and bumps and a lot of dust and dirt on it. I do need to clean this. So yeah, that's the Held Alcatar. Comes in a range of different graphics and colours. But that is a pretty cool lid.